Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to repair Wi-Fi error without internet in Windows 10. Chapter 1. How to fix Wi-Fi connected without internet on Windows 10 from Proxy and DNS. To begin, enter Internet in the search. Click on Internet Options. Now go to the Connections tab. After that, click on LAN Settings. Here, check that there is no proxy enabled. After this, enter Network in the search. Click on View Network Connections. When accessing, right-click on the Wi-Fi adapter. Select Properties. Now select the line Internet Protocol version 4. Click on Properties. In this window, confirm that the option Obtain DNS server address automatically is selected. After this, validate that the networks are available. Chapter 2. Repair how to fix Wi-Fi connected without internet on Windows 10 using Troubleshooter. To start, enter Troubleshoot in the search. Click on Troubleshoot Other Problems. Now click on Network Adapter. After that, click on Run the Troubleshooter. At this moment, wait for the entire process to be carried out. Remember to select the Wi-Fi option. Then, just wait for the process to finish. You can check the Wi-Fi networks. Chapter 3. How to fix Wi-Fi connected without internet on Windows 10, reestablishing the network. To begin, click Start. Click on Settings. Now click on Network and Internet. Once there, at the bottom click on Network Reset. After that, select Reset Now. Click Yes to validate the task. For the changes to take effect, click Start, then press the Power Off button, select Restart. Here, wait for Windows 10 to be restarted. When you log in, click Yes to allow networks, then you can check Wi-Fi networks. Chapter 4. How to fix Wi-Fi connected without internet on Windows 10 from CMD. To begin, enter CMD in the search. Click Run as administrator. After that, click Yes to allow access. Now reset winsock, run the command netsh winsock reset, press enter. Then reset the IP settings, run the command netsh int IP reset. You can then store the data in a registry. Run the command on the screen. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Now release the DNS cache. Run the command ipconfig/flushdns. Now release the IP address. Run ipconfig/release. Finally, activate the IP address. Run the command ipconfig/renew. For all changes to be applied, click Start. Then on the Power Off button, click on Restart. When you log in, check the Wi-Fi networks. Chapter 5. How to fix Wi-Fi connected without internet on Windows 10, updating the driver. To start, right-click on Start, click on Device Manager. Now in Networks and Internet, select the Wi-Fi controller. After that, right-click on it and choose Update Driver. Here, click on Search automatically for drivers. You must wait for it to finish. Then check the Wi-Fi networks. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.